Ladies and gentlemen, here's Freya, and she's involved in playing Roblox, but she's about to give you a training course on the installation of memory. Hey Freya, say hello to the folks at home. Okay. All right. So are you ready? Are you ready to go and install the memory?
Demon teddy bear.
You're looking for the demon teddy bear.
Yeah. Sick just got me.
Okay, pause it for a while. Come on, let's go. We're on live. All right, come over here. Here she comes. Come on. Right this way. Don't close it. Leave it open. All right, come on, let's go. All right. The folks at home are waiting to see your amazing skills. Okay. All right. So here, ladies and gentlemen, we have our computer, right? And we're gonna check it. Okay.
Computer fixing God.
All right. So, see if you can turn these. See if you can turn these like this, and we're going to remove this connector. Good. Now pull it off. Yay! Good job.
We cut it off. But
Yeah, but there was a little impact there of things. All right. Pull these out. All right.
what about the other one?
My goodness.
Yeah.
Now what we have here is our computer memory
Did it?
upgrade. Should be a 16 gig kit. All right. So pull. Yeah, you got to pull that power connector out. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. All right. Now pull those connectors out just to make it easier. We'll connect them back later. Now turn the computer over. Yeah. Good. She knows, you know, and she knows the battery release techniques of methodologies behind it. There she goes.
There we go.
All right. Now, I believe there should be a screwdriver in your cup there. Every workstation should have screwdrivers. Oh, my goodness, there's a whole jeweler's kit of screwdrivers. So she's going to get out the Phillips head to open the memory enclosure.
I only know this Phillips head.
How old are you again, Freya?
I am 7.
You're almost 7, right?
Yes. So when I'm 8, my mom's gonna be 38.
Yeah. Oh, telling mommy's age, is it?
I'm almost 7 and she's almost 47.
There you go.
Got him!
All right, now let's see. Now remember, Daddy can help you if it's jammed, you know? So you just got to get it loose. Is it turning at all? How's it feel? So, you know, sometimes Daddy needs to start it. We're in assistance mode. Oh, there you go. Okay, sometimes, yeah, right when it's starting, there she goes. All right, she's opening the internal electronic gizmotron. Okay, get the other one as well on this right side. I'm gonna help you right at the beginning to get it started. Oh, okay. Is it turning? Or is it still jammed? If it won't come up, you gotta keep turning the screw until you hear that click. Wow, it's stuck.
Well, maybe.
Oh my goodness here. All right, hold on. I'm gonna grab, let's see. I got a magnifying glass because I can't see. Hold on. Yeah, here's some magnifying glass. Come on, back over here. Yeah. Oh, all right. All right, so Daddy's looking at it. Oh. All right, now what we have to do.
It says poop 1, 2, 3, 4.
It says poop 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
In this stage, it says, please do not touch. It might break, so please do not touch.
Okay, so I'll press this one, and you press this one. You pull it out, right, outwards. Oh, yeah. Can you push it? See if it will.
That's the pinchy.
Mine's up. There it goes. It popped up. All right. Now turn it over. Turn it over. Let's take a look. How many gigs is it? How many gigs does it say?
4 gigabytes.
4 GB. Can't have that. Hold on.
4 gigabytes. We need.
Yeah. Oh, let's put it on the magnifying glass so I can make a video of it on the magnifying glass. Hold on. This is for the elderly, beneficiation of vision impairment. Oh wow! It's turned on the light. Yeah, sure enough. Yeah, I can see it. It's a 4 GB. You see that? I wonder if that shows. Yeah, it can show in the video. Okay, good. All right, so we got that bad boy out. Now we got to get these screws.
I got this good.
All right, these are sometimes really hard to start, folks. Hold on.
No, I can do it.
Okay. Just want to, like, one of the things that happens with a very old computer is like somebody spilled coffee on it or something like that, and and this screw. And and what you do is you just go and look on YouTube for, how to add memory on the brand of computer. And usually there's somebody out there that's already made a video of it. If not Lenovo themselves. HP has their own professionally made computer maintenance videos, etc. Yeah. All right. Sometimes it's hard to start, just the beginning of it. Can I just help? Well, we'll see. Folks, you saw it here first.
The short one, long one, on the long one.
Right.
Still doesn't work. Yep, this one.
Well, it's sometimes it helps to have a bigger. This is the thing here. If you have a bigger tip for this particular, let's see if I can get it out with one hand.
Is that called the stone people?
Oh, no one will know how that was done, but this one may be easier.
Yeah, this one will be easier.
So fits the screw a little bit better. Okay, now you got it. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, so we got one piece of memory out, and this is our 16 gig kit, which we're going to put in. All right.
I got it. Yeah, it's going faster.
My goodness, look at that. Okay, let's put it in Daddy's hand, the screw. All right, she got the first screw out. Second screw is coming now. And notice that I didn't have to tell her. She knows for the ThinkPad, I think it's the t430, first generation i5 processor. There's another memory enclosure on the top, and that happens to be under the computer keyboard. And these two screws must be removed in order to get that keyboard off. Okay, get it on there. Let me just help right at the very first. Okay, now you got it. You can do it. I know you can do it, dear. It's just like right at the beginning. Sometimes it's stuck because somebody spilled coffee on it. It's got, or Hawaiian punch or something. Yeah, and you can see it, like when sometimes the screws. Let me see if I can get the. Look at that. You can see how on the tip of the screw there's some rust. You see that?
Is that rust?
Yeah, let me get it in focus.
You spilled some coffee on it.
Yeah, somebody may have spilled something on it. That's why it was hard to undo it.
You spilled coffee on it.
Okay, so next step is she's going to turn the computer over. Sweetie? Yeah, you ready? Turn the computer over because we got to remove the keyboard. You remember? All right. There you go. Okay, you saw it here first, folks. All right, she knows that
we need 2 screwdrivers.
Yeah, you got to push it. So pry it loose of things. It's like snapped in there. Sometimes you gotta have a helping hand of some kind. I'm gonna get this other.
Maybe somebody trying to clean this laptop. Oh, that one's the perfect one for cleaning.
Yeah, see? Now it's going to come up. But we're still... Oh, that's good. You see that move she put on there, folks? That's great. All right. Here. All right. Now go ahead. Don't go too far under it. All right. But go ahead and try to lift the keyboard now. Well, you got to make sure it's... You can hold it up on that side. I'll help you pull it on this side. Oops. I need the one with the flat tip. They have actually a little thing, which I wish I had here. There we go.
No, let me do it. I can do it.
Okay.
It was like the middle.
Well, I got my finger on there because I didn't want to let it drop back down. Yeah, see, it just snaps loose.
I did it.
Yeah, you did.
Don't touch that wire.
Okay, yeah, that little red wire, right, is just delicate. You don't want to mess with that. But she knows under this sheet, right? Okay, you push that side and Daddy will push this side.
No, I can do it myself.
Okay, you do it yourself? Okay. All right. Up, there she goes. She's got the memory out. Okay, now we have both memories removed. Put it on top of the other one, dear. So you're nice and neat. You have a tidy work area, right? Set it on top of it. Good. All right. Now get your new memory, and let's open that up. You can let go of the paper, right?
Golden touch and golden.
Let go of the paper, and open. And we don't want to. Yeah. Let me just demonstrate here. We'll lay these on top of each other and set them aside that way. All right, now, here, you gotta open this box.
Open this box. It's not fully in yet.
Okay, don't push it down there. Just leave it. Yeah, we just want to let it relax for a minute. All right. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the live YouTube presentation of my wife. I mean, my board member. Here she comes. Our ESOL expert. She has a degree in education, and she's coming to contribute to our demonstration. I think. Okay. All right. See if you can get it open. Oh, careful. Okay, careful. All right. Now, Dad's going to help. I'll lift the keyboard and the paper, right? And make sure, okay, you got to flip the whole thing over. Yeah, that way. Yeah, because the little gap has to line up, right? All right, now we want to get it lined up straight. Don't push it on one side. Line it up straight. Okay, let's lift it out. Oh, there you go. Okay. Oh, wait. Don't get in too much of a hurry. Let's examine this carefully. Look, you see how it's straight. A very common problem is it'll be crooked, and then you'll put it down in the push it down in the clip, and then when you turn the computer on, it gives you an error because the memory is not seated. That's what it's called, seating the memory properly. So that looks like it's properly seated, and now we push the keyboard back, and hopefully we'll be able to...
If you get it quick, that means it's down.
Yeah, that's snapped into place, right? It's got these little... And you can sort of see them sticking out. But once it's in, that's not good enough. The screws are not lined up yet.
Cool.
All right. We want to close this gap.
Oh no, it sounds like it's broken. What do I do? I don't know.
Let's see. Try to push this bad boy down.
Because I was coloring it. That's why.
Because, yeah, see, okay, now it's flush, right? And we want it
Flushy.
It's not like flushing the toilet, the skibbity toilet. But flush means it's together, right? All along that border there. All right, we've installed the first memory module. Now Freya's gonna... Freya?
And
all right.
We have a new guest. Let me show you the new guest.
Who's the new guest?
Lilypad.
Oh, there's Lilypad, who's our observationalization, academic advisation person. Okay. All right. So let's go over here.
We even got
Close the gap. Close the laptop. All right. Now we got to turn it over. Good. And your second memory module is here. Can you open that?
Next to this garbage.
All right. All right. All right. Now this little guy here has got to line up. So, yeah, turn it over.
Turn.
And put it in straight, right?
It's crooked. It won't work.
No, we don't want it crooked. Okay, before you push it all the way down, right? We're gonna reopen it for a second. Let's just make sure we push it here, and make sure it's completely seated. Okay, you ready to push it in? Okay, good. Right, and that looks like it's straight up.
Even got light pad.
All right, here. So now our issue here, Freya. There's your keyboard screw for here. Okay, there's your second keyboard screw. Go ahead and seat that in there. And there are your, now see if it's gonna, if you've lined up your keyboard correctly, if it's flush on the top, the screw should slip right into the proper position to screw in.
It's done.
Okay, it's done. Great. All right. All right.
Okay.
She gets better and better every time she does it. Okay, so now we're gonna yeah, put it evenly, flush, and make sure it completely seats on the sides there.
Flushing.
All right, now, yeah, not like flushing the toilet, but lined up and seated. You know, no gaps. All right.
Okay, now it's done too.
All right, she's on the Geek Squad of Best Buy on the fly, which is different from the official Best Buy. All right, okay. All right, go ahead. She got the battery in there. All right, now. Okay, that's locked. It snaps into place automatically. All right, now turn it over, and let's see. Put the cords. Reconnect this guy. Yeah, go ahead. Put him up there.
Go.
Let's see. No, that's right. Oh, there you go.
I did.
All right, now we're gonna see how we. Go ahead. Screw that together. Okay. All right. Now this goes in a little hole here, so we have our speakers. Okay. Push it all the way in. Good. Okay. Now these two slots are right, and I can't even see them, but they're there. There's one. And how about the other one? The other one's right down here. Can you see it? If you look down there, you can see it. Good. All right, now on this side, this one goes in here.
Go.
Okay, we don't force things there. It should, yeah, and you can feel it goes in smooth. That's right, you had it right. Okay, so hold on. Oh! Okay. All right, so let's see. We want to get our, hold on, I'm going to line this up or whatever. I'm doing this video stuff on it. And there's another device that's connected to this USB on the back. We need a dang bus on every one of these things. All right, there's so many USB devices we need and not enough USB ports. Okay, so let's open it, turn it on, see if it explodes and catches on fire.
Please. I hope what you said didn't happen.
Yeah, okay. There's a power button. Hold it cross. Take a deep breath. Oh my goodness, it's booting up.
No peeping.
We should say, and there you go. There's your Windows icon. Ladies and gentlemen, our memory installation upgrade has been completed. Tune in again next week to see the next thrilling episode of Stuff on early childhood education. 20-minute RAM grade installation. Yeah, $45, please. That's the charge, right? All right, take care. See you next time.